Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video, I shall tell you how you should be submitting your independent activities during our program. Yeah. Now, as I told you elsewhere, that independent activities are extremely important part of our project. We expect you to submit these regularly after every class so that we can evaluate them, we can provide our feedback to you, and also we can include your names and your projects in the leaderboard. Yeah, there are really two important points to understand here, right? And they are both mentioned on the screen. The first one is this concept of sharing, right? Now, this share, as you notice here, orange color button is really coming from the world of Scratch, right? As I told you, Scratch is an open platform. It allows you to share your work, right? So this share button comes from the Scratch platform itself, yeah? Now, the second part of this is submit my project, which is specific to our course, right? So in this video, shall tell you how you will submit your assignments, but it turns out that sharing is the step number one of that, right? So what we will be doing is to first share and then submit, right? So let me just start with a let's say I start to create a new project, right? Now the first thing I want you to notice before you click create there is that your name is visible on the top right. Okay, if it is not, it only means that you are not signed into Scratch platform. So please do that, please sign in, make sure your name is visible on the top right. Yeah, number two, once you click the create button as I did here, you should be seeing this orange color button, right, which says share, right? Now if you are not seeing this button for whatever reason, it means that either you are not signed in, in which case your name should not also be here, or you are signed in but you have not yet set up your account for sharing, which means that you have not yet responded to that email that comes from Scratch platform to your inbox which says verify my account. So please take a look at the video which explains how you set up your Scratch account, and make sure that you are seeing a share button here, right? So now once you see a share button, right, so let's just make a very simple dummy project here to illustrate what all this means, right? So let's say I make a project, let's say it says when flag click, say I go to say move 10 steps. Let's say this is all in my project, right? Once let's say my project is over, the moment I click share button, right, so something magical happens. You get a message from Scratch saying that your project is now shared. Okay, now what this means is that anybody on Scratch platform can now view this project. Okay, which means anybody can now play it, anybody can now see inside the code, anybody can get ideas from this and so on, right? So this is the first step to you submitting your project. Okay, so first step, remember, is to share your project, because if you do not share, as evaluators we cannot view your project, so you must share your project. Okay, but this alone is not sufficient. So for that purpose, next step would be to submit your project, and now I will tell you how to submit your project. Okay, having shared, how to submit. So the thing that you have to do is to keep, there is this URL which you have to keep in mind. So what you could do right now is to say go right click and say copy this. Okay, so once you're shared, you come to the project page, just copy this URL. All right, just keep it ready. Now go to the course website, which is scratchcourse.wordpress.com. Once you reach our home page, you navigate to your class page, which is basically go and say click this, right? Now once you are on the class page, you will see a button called submit my project, right? It's on the, in this case, on the bottom right. You will see this button called submit my project. What I want you to do is to click this button, right? So I'll open this in the new tab. You can open it in the same tab as well. Once you open this, you are going to get a form which will allow you to submit. Okay, now within this form, it's quite self-explanatory. We want you to select your batch. So let's say you selected Saturday 8 p.m. This list might change depending on we adding new batches and so on and so forth, right? However, select your batch, click next. Okay. Once you click next, you will see a drop down menu with your name in this, right? So now it's possible that in the beginning, your name is not added, or perhaps we have misspelled your name, right? So if that is the case, please let us know if you're not seeing your name here, right? We will address this as soon as we can. Once you, let's say I'll just randomly select one name, right? Let's say I say Reet, click next. Okay. Next, you will get a button on, you will get a drop down on which project you are submitting for. Remember, there are many activities in this course, so we have to know what you are submitting for, right? So you select whatever project you are submitting. Now we want you to place the web address that you had copied previously here, right? So here what I'll do is say Control V and I'll get an address like this. Okay. Now, in case you did not copy it here, do not worry. Just go back to this project page again, right? This was the project page. Go and select this link here. Okay. Just select this and say Control C. Come back to this submission form. Say, I've already pasted it here. Once you've done this, you can click submit and in fact you are done. Okay, this means that we have received your project. Against that particular activity, we will mark it and we will share you our feedback. Yeah, so remember, this was a two-step process. First part is share, second part is submit, right? Sharing alone will not complete submission. Submission without sharing will not be useful because we will not be able to view it, right? So I think the process looks a little bit complicated in the beginning, but trust me, it becomes very easy once or twice you have done it. All right. Thank you very much. Hope you'll enjoy the course. Bye bye.